Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my couch. Today we're learning how to do a stretch twist out. I asked you guys on my Instagram, would you prefer a regular twist out or a stretch twist out? And you guys said you wanted a stretch twist out, so here it is. When I usually do my twist outs, it comes into a bob, so I'm used to a bob twist out. But this one I do really love. I might start doing stretch twist outs again. So I'm just going to teach you guys this simple way of doing a stretch twist out. It's not really complex, it's just a twist out but stretched, but you know, just to show you guys. For those of you who want to retain length with the twist out, this will definitely help out. And as usual, every product that I use will be linked in the description down below. Every single product that I'm using for inside of my hair. It's going to be in the description down below. So keep on watching to see how I achieve this stretch twist out onto my hair. Make sure to please subscribe and make sure to hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button to hear more notifications from me. Alright, let's get into this video.
Hey guys, so let's get straight into it. So I'm taking the t-shirt and the shower cap off of my hair. This is just from my wash day, so as you know, my hair is in 4 Bantu knots. If you'd like to see how I do my wash day, I would link that video somewhere in this video. So what I do is take down one of the sections, and that section is split into 2 already because it's already in a twist. So I put one of the sections away. Then I start to seal in the moisture. So my hair already has leave-in conditioner into it. So I do leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream method. This just works better for me, and it helps to retain the moisture in my hair. So I'm just working in that oil, and then I'm using my detangling brush to work in that oil as well, making sure every strand gets some of that oil. Now I'm using my styling cream from Melanin Hair Care. I use about a dime size amount, and I make sure to work that in as well. I spread that throughout the section. And then I'm taking my brush and I'm making sure to comb that through my hair as well. Combing from ends to roots, making sure that the product disperses through my hair properly. Now what I'm going to do is take my hair and just twist it, starting from the roots all the way to the bottom, just twisting it all the way down. And look how moisturized my hair looks. For me personally, I love doing the leave-in conditioner, then the oil, and then the styling cream. It just helps my hair to retain better moisture. So you can see those juicy curls in the back of my head. So I'm just going to do it again once in the front for you guys, just so you can see. So my hair's already in 2 sections because it was in twists. I put one section away. I moisturize the other section with oil. Make sure I work that oil in. Then I make sure I brush it through so every strand gets that oil and is thoroughly coated. Brushing from ends to roots. Then I take my styling cream and I put that on top as well. Make sure to work that in with my hands. Then I take my brush and I make sure to work that in as well. Then I take it and I split it into 2 sections, and I start off with a twist, twisting it all the way down to the end. And I don't put enough into a Bantu knot or anything, I just make sure to twist to the very end. And then at the end of my strands, I just like to just twirl my hair around my fingers. Here I'm just showing you how much I love this brush and how it just helps me comb my hair properly. Here you can see me doing there's one more twist dance. I have no rhythm. I don't know what song I'm dancing to. I'm just moving, honestly, at this point. I don't know what bodily movements these are, but I think they'll classify this as dancing. So I hope you can see that on the top of my head, I did twist one section to a particular side. Why I did this is to make sure that my hair lays properly. I wanted a side part, so I made sure to twist my hair in a specific way so that the side part would lay down right. So now I'm taking my twists, I'm stretching them around my head, and I'm pinning them down. So I took 2 twists from the top and I stretched it all the way across my head as far as I could, and then I pinned it. Here I'm taking another 2 twists and I'm pinning them. I don't pin the very end of my twists because they end to just fall out of the pin. So I pin a chunkier part of my twist so the pin stays down. But I also want to make sure that I'm hiding the ends of my twist. I don't want the ends of my twist revealed too much. I just want to make sure they're tucked away nice and safely so they don't get damaged. I'm taking another bobby pin. I'm taking twists from the other side of my hair. I'm also laying them as I want my hair to lay when I take them out of the twist. So I'm laying them according to the part. As you can see, I have like a little side part right there. And I'm just tucking in all of the ends of the twists that are not necessarily tucked in, because I want to make sure that they're safe. But using this technique definitely helps you get a longer result out of your twist out. Normally my twist outs shrink straight into a bob, but when I do this, it definitely gives me more volume and more length. And here it is, all pinned up. You can wear this out normally if you want to. Here I'm the next day with my African print bonnet. It's my favorite thing ever. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take down my twists. One already fell out, but it's expected, honestly. So I just want to make sure I pull out all of the bobby pins. Make sure my hair is just a twist, no more bobby pins holding it up. And I take the oil, of course, and I make sure I put that all over my hands to make sure I reduce frizz in my twists. So as I'm taking down the twist, I start from ends and I work my way up to the roots. I'll show you guys a closer vision of how I do this, but when I take down my twist, I separate the twist where it separates easily. My hair is very trained at doing this now, so I don't even have to pull it anymore when they're in twists. It just easily separates. As you can see, I'm just running my hand down through it, and it's just pulling apart easily. And as you can see, because of the oil I put on my hands, it definitely helps out with the frizz with my hair. It's not as frizzy as it could be. The definition from that styling cream is amazing. I love it so much. So the styling cream I use is also, it's called a twist elongating styling cream. So it helps elongate your hair as well. So I definitely do recommend using this if you love to have length when you do your twist outs. So I'm just figuring out what to do with my hair here. I was trying to see if I wanted to go back to a middle part instead, because I do love a good middle part. But then I decided on the side part. Make sure you take your afro pick and make sure you pick out your hair to as much volume as you want. Let me know if you guys want a video on how I pick out my hair. There is a specific way that you should do it in case you don't want to cause any damage to your curls. You definitely don't want to cause any damage to your curls. So as you can see, I'm lightly picking my hair, but you know, everyone reads their hair differently. So I'm just trying to see how I want to style my hair, because I wasn't too crazy about the side part. But so I just did a flat twist on that side and I pinned it up. And yeah, I was pretty happy about it. I used some gold pins. Sometimes I just like my pins to show. It's a new style to my hair. I love pins. Pins accentuate your hair into something even greater, honestly. So yeah, I'm all done. This is how my stretch twist out came. As you can see, I do have more length. The curls are more stretched out. And it's super cute and fun and I love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching how I got this stretch twist out. Please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about what I did or the products that I used. Alright, catch you in the next one.